All right, squatters, we're coming around the close of the summer. We're closing out with a couple of big drops right now. Dropping tomorrow, the next couple of days. We know that Nike SB is dropping its Verdy Visty, and that is in the Nike SB Dunk Low colorway setup that they have. Then there's also a iShot Wear 2 that's in the same colorway. And luckily for me, skate shops dropped today. I was able to pick up a pair in hand. So we're going to do a quick overview, sneak peek before that shoe drops for you guys. And let me know what you think. If you're definitely trying to cop it. I know a lot of raffles have been out, things like that. A lot of people getting W's. But we're going to see what we like with them in hand right now. All right, so here's the box. You can see the label there. It's just your Nike SB cream box that we've seen for a good while now. And we can get into the shoes. The Nike SB Verdy Visty. Now this is a shoe that is really creative, imaginative, you know, from the mind of the Japanese streetwear artist Verdy. And this is not his first Nike SB collab. This is actually his third. So if you know, in 2019, he did the Girls Don't Cry. It was a Valentine's release. All red, like maroon, suede, things like that. Dope shoe. That shoe in the secondary right now goes to like $3,000. I think I saw one earlier today. And then in 2021, he did the Wasted Youth SB, which is all black and has some, you know, different things on it. Wasted and Youth on the back of the shoe itself. But this shoe, this plush rendition, is inspired by one of his characters that he created, named Visty, who was like a plush, I don't know what kind of animal it is, but it's a plush animal from, you know, some imaginative place. And the shoe itself is covered in all this kind of plush furry material, right? Like overall, you got a nice corduroy material going around the whole shoe. I wouldn't say that's suede, but I think it's more just corduroy. You've got a leather swoosh. That might be a composite, like a vinyl or something, but the purple swoosh there, the green plushie all up and down the tongue. You got this pink plushie around the back collar area. You got green where the swoosh is as well. Comes with yellow laces in. Comes actually with a nice, I don't know, it's a hang tag, bracelet, keychain. Pretty nice. This Visty character on it. I mean, this thing is heavy. Like, you definitely couldn't wear that, use that as a hang tag, because you'd be just dangling on the ground, and it's really, really thick and heavy. But that's that. The laces come with yellow already laced in the shoes. You actually get two other pair of laces. You get this kind of light green that matches the fur, and then you got the blue that matches that corduroy around the shoe. All right. You got a yellow midsole that matches the laces that they pre-laced in here, and then a green outsole. But overall, man, I think really, you know, colorful, creative shoe. There's a lot going on. You're definitely going to stand out from the crowd. You wear these up in wherever you're going. But you can wear like a basic outfit, obviously, and put these on. These do the talking for you. So they're similar to what you would think of like Grateful Dunks to me. That's what they remind me of. And just to give you also a little more history on Verdy. He is, again, he's from Japan. He was born, I think, in Okinawa. He went to Tokyo, where he's been working for a long time. I heard that he actually worked with Nike SB at a point. Nice fun insoles as well. Really cool, really cool. You got your typical, your memory foam, your zoom pouch on the outsole, insole of the shoe. And let's see, inside the shoe, you've got the same green around the sock line of the shoe there. But he also has a friends and family pair from another character that he created, his character Vic. So Vic is like a panda rabbit, and that shoe kind of has the color blocking of like a regular like Dunk Panda, but it's all, you know, you got this plush white, I think furry material and black material on it. And then there's some leathers and suedes on that one. Friends and family, haven't seen them in hand, probably, you know, definitely won't see them in hand, but seen pictures, they look really nice. But this is the shoe, man, the Visty 135, September 19th, skate shops, sneakers, Good luck. I'm hearing that there's like 20,000 pairs of these total. So that doesn't include, that's everything. What's been already gone to the shops, what's going to be on sneakers. I'm hearing sneakers may be in like 6,000 or 7,000 pairs. So I'm not 100% sure how accurate that is. We'll take a toll and find out information after the drop. But that's what I'm hearing. So I think it's going to be pretty scarce, pretty hard to come by. Secondary on these right now is already $350, almost $400. So, we'll see what they do after the drop tomorrow. But this is an 11.5, for personal. I don't know how easy these would be to rock. So I don't know 100% that I'll keep them, but, definitely glad to get them in hand and see them first, right up close and personal, and be able to get a review quick peek out to you guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Already a cop, what do you rate these? And remind you to Grateful Dunks as well. Sub up on your way out. Make sure you follow me on IG at Real Daddy Seed, and I will see y'all on the next one. Peace.